Alright, Pyros. Wanted to give you a stash update when I had a chance. Go over some new shells I just got. Some rockets, some cakes. Got some stuff planned on demoing here soon for the channel. This all full of salutes. You got you full right here. You got 3 shells we're gonna demo out. You got you a quarter there. You got this can here that's about 250 plus. You got your half. And you got your super quarter. Got all these bad boys in here I've been saving up for demos. There's plenty of different loose and older vintage salutes I got too. Plan on demoing all that stuff. Looky here, looky here. Oh my God, talk about being heavy too. I had to get this beast. These 86 shots or some bad boys here. You guys see these, I'd highly recommend getting those. Here's what we got for some more shells. Just got cases of all these. Look at these bad boys right here. Red palm, white glitter. We got these bad boys too. Look at that. Red palm and crackle. Had to get another case of these bad boys. I got a demo I'm doing Saturday. Still got at least 8 or 10 racks of shells. So I'll have some demos coming up real soon for that. We didn't get to demo it all last time. Here's some of the rockets. I just got cases of all this stuff. You got some new vectors. These are real nice. There's the new Mega Willows, the original ones. You know what those are. Some other rockets. Those are newer too. The Rocket Mans. You know what those are. Can anyone tell me how old these are? What year this box was from? This case? Got all these other rockets. I'm going to do some demos of all this stuff here soon. Do that with the BDH rockets, and then I got some C and double. I'll demo those too. I'm telling you right now, Pyros, don't sleep on this year. It is not like the original. I prefer this one a lot better. I don't know. Pyros, let me know what you think. Had to get a case of these. So this is 4-1, and if you like MTK to 3-1, you'll like this Thunder at 4-1. Had to get a case of these Master Rockets. Got a mixed case with 6, 7, and 5-inch Masters. You can't beat that. These new 7s right here. Real happy to get these. It looks like there's actually 24 effects in this instead of 12. And I was looking at the Master 6s and these Dragon Lords. So looks like the effects are the same. Imagine that. Thought that was interesting. So when we do that demo Saturday, I'll definitely break out the new 7s and the new 6s, and we can do some of this other stuff here too. Real happy to get these new Masters right here, the 5-inch. Really like all the effects. I like that. Got some case of these Whomping Willows. And you got these bad boys now. Pretty nice rockets. Can't wait to test these out. I'll do a demo with all these rockets and some of the other salutes. Another good thing is too, this year I got a show that I'm going to do on July 6th. It's already been paid for, so that'll be my first show getting paid. So be real happy to do that. Shout out to Jeezy and Operator Pyro for the shirts you guys sent me. I really appreciate both of you. Those shirts are awesome. Thank you very much. I appreciate you both. Alright, Pyros. That's about it. Just wanted to give you a stash update. If you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll also be doing the giveaway at the end of the month. So anybody that isn't already entered, post in the comments below that you want to be entered. But like I said, my only stipulation is that you're subscribed to me, Y&K Gibbs, and Explosive. Alright, Pyros. If you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe.